Welcome back. In this video, we'll guide you through how to use the SmartScan app of C2W Inventory, simplifying your inventory tasks, all from your mobile device. Let's get started. Head to the desktop version of your C2W Inventory. Go to Settings and click on SmartScan App Download. You can either scan the QR code or use the provided URL to download it on your phone. Use your smartphone's camera or a QR code scanning app. Point your camera at the QR code until the link appears. Tap the Go to Website button to proceed. A pop-up will appear prompting you to download the file. Tap Download to begin the process. Once the download is complete, a prompt will appear asking you to confirm installation. Tap Install to proceed. Wait for the installation process to complete. After installation, open the app and log in with your C2W Inventory account. Once you're in, you'll see 5 options. Manage item, check the item information and edit the weight, size, and barcodes. Open SO picking list, pick the open sales order. Open PO receiving list, receive the open purchase order. Current stock, check the inventory of the item and adjust the inventory of the item. Stock transfer, transfer the inventory from one location to another. In Manage Item, you can view product information, check inventory, add initial inventory, edit barcodes, edit dimension and weight. Everything you need is here to keep your items up to date. In the Open SO Picking list, you'll see all your active orders. From here, you can easily select an order and start picking items right in the app. In the Open PO Receiving list, you'll see all your active purchase orders. From here, you can easily select a purchase order and mark the items as received when they arrive. It's that simple. In the Current Stock section, you can search for items by name or location, adjust quantities, and transfer inventory to keep everything accurate. Lastly, the Stock Transfer option makes it easy to move inventory between locations. Just choose your From and To locations, select the items, and confirm the transfer. That's it. With the SmartScan app, managing your inventory has never been easier. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our C2W Inventory tutorials.